So here I am starting my first flight with the Skydio 2. Just trying to go to a pretty open spot and just test out the tracking, get used to the beacon, stuff like that. And the funny thing is, I actually dropped the beacon right here. So I need to get some type of mount because any bump in the road was gonna make me drop the beacon, and there it goes. But it's actually kind of good to see if this thing will track me when I go back, and it is tracking me. I think I had it tracking from behind. All right. I also have my phone mounted on the bike so I could control with both different devices. All right, here we go again. I'm just doing this loop on this dirt path. There's not too many trees around, so I felt pretty safe out there. Although there are some power lines that I ran into, and I'm actually lucky to still have this drone because I almost crashed it today. But right here, I'm just tracking on the left side of me. I'm messing around with the distance, coming in closer and then also going out a little farther. You can see those power lines, they really blend in with the environment, so that's why. But I just have it tracking on the left. So far, so good. Now I'm like, all right, let's put the drone back into the left. So like a 45-degree angle. In open areas like this, it does a really great job of tracking. These are the little loops down just north of Woodward Park. And here I am flipping it around to the right side of me as I turn, which makes for a cool little shot. And it could also track you going towards the camera while the drone is flying backwards. I kept pushing all the buttons, and it really switches directions pretty quick. This is front and diagonal. And then farther away, I can see the background a little more. It's a really wide shot. And what do I do next? I think I just put it to the left of me instead of diagonal. That's a cool shot. You can see everything behind me. And I believe I'm gonna bring it in a little closer now, yeah. I would never be able to do this with a DJI drone. Maybe they'll improve their technology in the coming years, but for right now, Skydio is the go-to drone if you want to track yourself doing any type of sports, running, biking, hiking. Okay, so here I am doing an orbit. So it's tracking me, but also going in a circle around me. And I think this is what led to the near crash, because I was messing around with the thing, and I think it lost contact with the GPS signal because I might have had my hand over the beacon. So right here it's still doing a good job going around, but as it makes this circle, there it goes. I think it lost me right here. And so it just kept going out. And then I think at a certain point it locks onto me again and starts going in a circle. Okay, so right here, very close call. I think I went in between both wires or something, watch. So it's still doing this orbit pretty far away. And then I think I might have pushed a button for it to come back, and here it goes, right between these two wires. Yeah, after this I was like, all right, I'm done for the day. So I just decided to do a normal track and drive back. So all in all, great tracking performance, learning experience for me. I have to basically assume that if there's any power lines anywhere, it's not going to see it because the power lines can blend in with anything. But I think it's gonna do what I need it to do, tracking me on certain small video clips. I'll have to test it out on the track later on if I'm running. But first impressions are I'm impressed with the tracking ability. And I think it's going to be a pretty cool drone to use for years to come.